little wonders, welcome back to our channel. It's Rachel Rage, and today we have our favorite My Little Pony Play-Doh with Rarity, Style and Spin. Wow, we're gonna give Rarity some style. Woo! Style and Stomp. Let's see what comes in the box. Here we have Rarity. Oh, she has stamps underneath her. And you can decorate her as well. You can give her hair any color you like and tail. We have 2 cans of Play-Doh, a purple and a light blue, and 3 smaller minion cans, a white, an orange, and a green. And these are the tools. This set, it comes with this pink heart mirror. Oh, it's so cute. Look all these molds. And you can also put Rarity on the seat there and spin. We have also these tools and a knife. Wow, look, we have a circle, a star, a diamond, and a heart. Okay, let's decorate here. I'm gonna do a simple original Rarity style and then a crazy Rarity. So please let me know which one do you prefer by commenting below. Wow, look how cool is that? It's Rarity stamp. A little Cara for you, Rarity. Okay, and now let's do some crazy hair. The purple Play-Doh and a little bit of red. You can mix any color you like. And I'm gonna create 2 lines. And for the red one, I'm gonna use a little heart. Mix them together. Here we go. Wow, super long hair for you, Rarity. Oh my gosh, this tool creates pearl necklace. How adorable. Go. Thanks for watching, Little Wonders. Don't forget to tell me what do you think by commenting below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe to watch 2 new videos every day. See you soon, Little Wonders. Oh, I love it. I think this is the best one. We are ready for the ball. Cinderella, we're not ready yet. She also has green eyes and a beautiful face.